Hello friends, today we are going to check the engine CFDS menu on the aircraft. This is a A321 aircraft of our company, and is having CFM 56 5B engines installed. So we will in a short while we'll see the engine, this Fadec, how to interact the Fadec system on the CFDS. And actually I have posted one video regarding LEAP. So in the LEAP, to check the oil quantity of the engine, we have to energize the Fadec. But in this case, if you see, now the Fadecs are not energized, but still we could see the oil quantity. So there is no need to energize the Fadec. So in LEAP we are energizing the Fadec through the maintenance switches or some other means. Okay, so now my Fadec switches are off, but to interact with the system, we have to the Fadec we have to switch on the maintenance switches. For that purpose the maintenance switches are provided. So first we will put the maintenance switches to on. These are my maintenance switches, 1 and 2 engine, that is on the overhead panel. Now you see what is the menu available for the engine Fadec. So system report test as usual I will do from start. Now MCD, we take the CFDS, then we'll see system report test, then next page, then we'll go to the engine. Now engine will see engine interface unit 1, engine interface unit 2, Fadec 1A, Fadec 1B, Fadec 2A, Fadec 2B. So EC1, actually in this aircraft CFM engine we have the ECU, electronic control unit. So B2500 we have the EEC. LEAP we have 2 EEC, but on CFM we have the ECU. So to interact with the ECU, there are 2 channels, Fadec 1A, 1B, so 1A channel, 1B channel, 2A, 2B channel. So first see Fadec 1A, wait for the system response. So we are waiting for the menu. Now if you see the menu, we have the last leg report, previous leg report, LRU identification report, troubleshooting report, class 3 report, and in this we have the ignition test, thrust reverser test. If you see the LEAP engine, we have the engine test of menu, and in engine test menu we can do all these tests: ignition test, thrust reverser test, Fadec test. But here these are given separately as in the menu. And water wash function, that is available in the LEAP, but that is in the specific function. So we have here the specific data I will see. So this is the menu change. So last leg report as usual, we have the last leg, any problem is there. Previous legs we can have 64 legs, so that is in a history. So last leg report, if any problem is there, it will come. So that is normal. Okay, so we'll see if any problem. So no fault recorded. Leg date, GMT, ATA, no fault recorded. Return. So you'll see now wait for system resource. System response you will see is a little slow. Anyway, no, we are more interested to see the basically in this we see the LRU ident as usual. We have the whatever the LRU, we have EEC software part number, hardware part number. So in LEAP we are getting the PSS, but here if you see it's a part of the ECU. Now there is no pressure subsystem separately, but in this the pressure subsystem actually that's the integral part of the ECU. So that is why there is no. So you will see the LRU, you see the difference. Here you will get only ECU part number and serial number. Just see, we are getting ECU part number, ident plug data, bump configuration, SAC configuration, that is single annular combustion. So configuration change you can do. Okay, so this is the menu basically. If you see the configuration change engine, you can engine serial number, you can change it. Return. Actually, this is the system is a little slow. Wait for system response. So troubleshooting data will see. So troubleshooting data is basically you troubleshooting the suppose anything is there, any fault is there. So here if you see no fault recorded, if any fault is there, so then you can go as per that, and then you can in LEAP we have seen there is a ground report. So these are the troubleshooting data. We are doing the troubleshooting. So there is no ground report. Here you will get the report only. Now if you see ignition test, we can do the ignition test, we can do the thrust reverser test, we can do the Fadec test. But here there is no precaution as in LEAP. In LEAP we have to switch off all the bleed sources, but in this CFM we need not switch off the bleed sources. So because there is no motoring test here. Okay, so you will go to the Fadec test. It's a normal electrical test, Fadec 1A 1B like that. So if you see the cautions is coming, engine will rotate during test. For engine motoring test, supply starter air, otherwise a non-motoring test will be performed. So push button to start the test. If you start the test, then it will be started, but we are not going to do the test. So I'll press return. Then you see the things what I want to tell you more, actually basically which so water wash we can do. Then we can do this here, the maintenance report. This is scheduled maintenance report, as I told before also in LEAP video, that this is for the when the aircut is going for the major check. There we are seeing all the messages which are of least important. Then they are rectifying this. Then we are seeing this specific data. Here this menu, special menu, which is not in the LEAP, but there is special function. So here we can do two things. One is power setting max values. So whatever the power setting max values are there, just see, we can change that. So whatever is given, so N1, N2, so whatever the values are given, you see N1 94.1%, this N2 is this. Okay, the indicated value and the physical values. So these are the reset. If you want to reset the accidents, reset maximum value, you can do from here. Okay, reset max values. Return. Now we'll go to the, now we'll see the other menu which is more important. In this we see this the specific data. You'll see we have the thrust reverser inhibition, thrust reverser inhibition status. So anytime you are deactivating the reverser on an engine, after deactivating procedure completed, you have to select this reverser inhibition status. You have to check, and you have to select, suppose we are selecting it, reverser inhibition status. So when we check, so this will show the status, so not inhibited. So if you want to change, because you have deactivated, you have to change from this menu, change reverser status. Then when you select this, this will become inhibition status inhibited. So that you have to do every time you are deactivating the reverser. And whenever you are doing the rectification, after completing the rectification, you have to change this status also. So that is the more very important point about this. So you have to keep it in mind. So this was all about the engine Fadec menu. So if see here, because Fadecs are powered, so we have this engine page. Engine page is on the SD page. We have fuel use, oil quantity, oil pressure, vibration, N1 and N2. These are available. And primary parameters, if you see upper ecam, N1, EGT, N2 and fuel flow. Okay. And if you see, if I have time, I'll just see the ignition test. I can show you a little bit about this. The ignition test when we are doing is a audibility check test. So we are actually powering the exciters. Okay, the igniter will cycle during test. Ignition A, test it, and B, put the mode selector switch to norm, place the master lever to the on position, push button to start the test. So this is the menu. If you want to do the ignition test, one person should be on the intercom there, below, and one person should be in the cockpit. So that person who is actually near the engine, he will tell you about the audibility received. Same way, thrust reverser test we can do from both the channels. Thrust reverser test we will do. You see the thrust reverser test, how it is. Thrust reverser test also we can do from the, you see the surfaces will move at hydraulic pressure rise. So in this engine, aircraft Airbus, you know, the engine 1 reversers are powered through green, and number 2 from yellow. Okay, so remove thrust reverser inhibition, that is a new thing. So you have to remove first whenever you are rectifying the snag and activating the, if you are not activated, you have to, if you are not changed the status, thrust reverser inhibition has not been removed, then the test is not possible. Then in the test it will say, okay, first remove the thrust reverser inhibition, then only do the test. So no personnel are near, start test. So this is the menu basically. So I hope you would like the video. If you like the video, kindly tell me, encourage me, so that I can make more videos for you about some fault rectification and other things. Thank you very much. My name is HS Devgan, and this is my experience which I am sharing with you all. Thank you very much. Bye.